All right, everybody. Hello, welcome. Bienvenidos to another video here traveling Costa Rica. Today we're in Uvita. We're going to be checking out the national park here. This is part 2 in our videos from this area. I just did a video up by the main road. There's a bunch of commercial areas on the main highway. So drove down here. I'm going to be walking this strip here, going into the national park. I've never actually been in the national park down here. I've been down this way a bunch of times meeting people, stuff like that, but never actually went into the park. If this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, and leave us a comment with your questions, thoughts, feedback, concerns, requests. You want me to go somewhere, I'll try to add it to the list of places. So guys, in the last video, we were up at a little commercial strip. It was called Doña Maria's. And I said in that video, if you turn left on the road, you can end up down here. And that wasn't wrong necessarily, but that would require a river crossing. So what you actually have to do is drive a little bit south on the main highway and then turn right. And you'll end up on these paved roads here. I'm going to show you guys some more shots of the ride in. It's pretty short, maybe a couple minutes, whatever. Super simple, super easy. So down here leading into the area of the national park, there's a bunch going on, a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants we're going to check out. Walk and talk. It's a longer walk and talk video. Trying these out. I love the feedback you guys are giving for these videos. You seem to like them, seem to enjoy them. Just walking around and shooting it. Now listen, I freeball these videos, okay? I mean, I've been here before. I travel around a lot. I kind of, I got some knowledge and stuff like that, but I'm just saying things to the best of my knowledge. Okay? Don't bite my head off. And let me know if you know anything about these places, if you stayed at any of these places down here, if you've used any of these services, like the tour guide, the tour companies, right, that do the tours. Like here's a hotel. I don't know. Cool. Let me know if any of these places are worth staying, because I do like getting recommendations for places. Usually I just jump on Airbnb or Booking.com to grab places. There's Cozy Tica, boutique and souvenir shop. Oh, cool. Okay. There you go. Nice. So I just paid to park down here. I actually paid, I'll show you the lot down there. I paid like $6, I think, to park. But there's an attendant, and I don't know if it's necessary, but look at this, covered parking, so that's all right. Keep your vehicle nice and cool. So it's pretty humid here right now, and it's pretty hot. And that's consistent, I think, with all of Puntarenas Province, where we are on the South Pacific coast. There's some cool stuff, cool art, cool birds, bird art. I dig it. Okay, so there's some tours. Oh, so that's perfect. I got the drone. I'm going to try to put the drone up so we can see, live, but that's what essentially is going on here. So at low tide, you can walk out there. And right now, it's high tide. So I'm not going to be walking out. If you saw my last video, I got bit by a dog driving here. The things I do for this channel, the sacrifices I make. I nipped my leg when I was going by, bleeding and stuff like that. So got it all duct taped and band-aid back together, but I probably won't go in the water for that reason, because I searched it, and apparently you're supposed to keep it dry and put cream on it. So I did that. Once again, there it is. I got it all taped together. And of course, the shoes. I always plug the shoes, man. The link's in the bio for the shoes. Guys, these shoes are so clutch. I love them so much. They're like called Do Sport. Name's not so important. They have vents on the bottom, so sand and water just drains right out, and you can use them for walking around town and then go right in the water. I dig it. It's a lot of tours down here. Super cool. This is where I parked right here. So I give that lady 3,000 cologne, which is effectively $6 at the usual exchange rates. And here is the entrance to the park. So we're going to go in. Once again, I've never been in here, so you guys are joining me for the first time. I don't even know where to pay. We'll figure it out though. Bunch of smoothies. All right, cool. There's some cool things there. So that's the money. So those are like rugs of the money, I guess. 20 mil. That's like 40 bucks. 10 mil. That's 20 bucks. 5 mil is 10 bucks, and 2 mil is about $4. So mil is 1,000. So the denominations are like 1,000. And then there's a parking lot there. Cool. So here we are. Oh, this guy's got pipa. Cool, cool. All right. There's some safety information if you're into that. Showers here. Okay. All right. What's going on here? Some information. Cool. So I haven't actually seen a whale yet. Seen dolphins on a boat trip. Cool. And these guys are bringing boats up. Dive and surf. Okay. So these guys, I guess, will take you to cool surf beaches. Excellent. And diving. Probably go to diving locations. Sí. Okay, gracias. Said uno momento. He's going to be right back, I bet. So here's the entrance. Let's just keep it going. We'll wait for him. So you can't bring alcohol, you can't smoke, no pets. Okay, so that's interesting. You can't bring your pet. Don't take out flora and fauna, wild stuff. Don't feed animals. And don't do... Oh, don't vandalize. Actos vandaliscos in the area. Cool. See, guys, I'm learning a bit of Spanish. I'm learning. Here's our guy. It's okay, gracias. No, no. Yep. Back over here. 3,000? Oh, solo visa? Okay. Oh, no, no efectivo? No certo? Okay. Okay, so I'll do a little jump cut. So you guys saw there that they don't accept cash. It's just credit. So it's $6 for foreigners, extranjeros. So it's interesting. So, I mean, it's convenient. I just had to pull my card out, and there's no point putting that on video. And then they gave me a little ticket. Let's check this ticket out. Okay. All right. Cool. Shouldn't have any personal information on it. Let's go check this down here. It said crocodiles, man. There was a warning thing for crocodiles. Crocodiles around here? I don't know. Let's see if we can see any crocodiles. Well, I don't know. It says crocodiles. There's people swimming over there. See, this is water that I mean, man, even down by the ocean, you know, I've heard crocodiles venturing out into the ocean inadvertently when the water's really murky and they go away from their kind of natural habitat. It's cool though. Cool. See how high the water gets on occasion, I guess. This is fun. Look at this pipa. Oh, wow. That's actually... I bet you could get some juice out of that. Don't have anything to get it out with, though. Some coconut water. So don't swim here. And don't feed crocodiles, obviously. Oh, there's pipas everywhere. Hola. Cool kids. This is nice. So you can see everybody struggling with the bare feet. That's why I love these shoes. You know, they have like a rubber sole. It's like a shoe, right? So they work really well for situations like this. And I wonder if there's like monkeys down here or something. Cool. Man, I could use some people right now. Maybe that guy outside, I'll get one off him after. That's probably who comes in and collects all the peepas to sell them. You can see them all here. Look at all of them. Wow, this is a big pile. It's wild. There's an island out there. What island is that? You guys know the name of that one? I'll look at the map. Usually I do a video. You know, I look at the map before I do a video, and then I look at the map after, and I try to figure out what I'm looking at. Type of thing. I don't spend a whole lot of time down here. It is quite the venture to get down here. And there's dogs. There's a boat trailer. Cool. I bet you it gets busier if it's low tide. Must be much busier. And here's a bunch of boat trailers. Cool. Those are big boat trailers. Probably like that boat that we saw at the start of the video. There's a policia. Cool, but yeah, it's very high tide right now. There's somebody surfing. That's cool, a bunch of people swimming. We'll go down there and check it out. We'll go down on the beach. Doesn't look too crazy for swimming. Looks like it breaks pretty shallow right here at least. Super scenic though, I like it. Oh, look at this thing. What is this? It's like roots of a tree or something. Cool. Oh, this kid's got a miniature surfboard. That's cool. Wow, look at this. Man, that's cool. Cool view. Like there's some houses or something up in the hills there. That's cool. All right. Wow. Wawa. Now there's like land over there behind. Wow, okay. And then here is the beach. Let's walk the beach. So guys, I've heard that to get out to the whale's tail, you can expect like a 40-minute walk to get out there. So when we come back, we'll come back another time and do a video walking out to the whale's tail. But for now, we'll see the beach, we'll get the idea. There's a bunch of scuba tanks. Very cool. This beach is jungly. Very jungly. All these peepas and coconuts everywhere. And you can see people just swimming. So right now it's just about the highest tide and there's people just out there in the water, so that's good. Pretty chill beach. There's little kids walking around and stuff. That's fun. Right, I see a little baby in the water. Barely walk, but he's having a blast. That's good. Okay, so it's pretty, child friendly, I'd say, even at high tide. Looks that way. Let's go dip the feet in the water. See if it's nice and cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's chill. It's chilly. It looks like there's another estuary over here. Guys, as we walk over to the estuary, I'm going to put the drone up and see what this place looks like from the sky. All right, so that was some cool footage there of the park here, Marino Ballena. Here's another little river estuary. We're approaching now. Kids playing. Super dense vegetation, right? Like, look at all the vegetation over there. It's super dense. Can you imagine before roads and stuff like that, having to plow through that? This is cool. There's people over there. Now, guys, you know, from this vantage point, of course, we saw that from the drone, but there's the whale's tail way over there, so you got to walk quite a distance. All right, perfect. Let's go over here. The sand here is like super soft. I like walking in it. Look at how soft it is. See it? It's cool. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that walking tour here at the park in Uvita, the national park, Marino Ballena. Super scenic park. $6 to get in, $6 to park if you decide to park at the private lots. Definitely worth visiting. Spend a day here. Awesome. And if you're in Uvita, obviously you're going to check this place out. Once again, guys, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with any feedback, questions, requests that you have. Thanks for watching. Bye now.